Want to start an LLC in Texas in 2026? The process is surprisingly simple, and you can often complete most of it online in less than an hour. Start by choosing a unique business name that includes LLC or limited liability company. Before moving forward, check that the name is available through the Texas Secretary of State SOS Direct System. Next, choose a registered agent. Texas law requires every LLC to have a registered agent with a physical address in Texas who can receive legal documents on behalf of the business. Now, file your certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. The filing fee in 2026 is $300, and online filing is usually the fastest option. After approval, create an operating agreement. Texas does not regularly require one, but it helps define ownership percentages, voting rights, and management responsibilities. Many banks also ask for it when opening a business account. Next, apply for an EIN, also known as Employer Identification Number. From the Internal Revenue Service, this is free and is required for hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and filing taxes. You can apply it directly through the IRS website. Finally, open a business bank account and stay on top of annual compliance requirements, including Texas franchise tax filings and public information reports if applicable. Many small Texas LLCs owe no franchise tax but still must file reports each year. And that's how you start an LLC in Texas in 2026. If your situation involves partners, investors, or significantly liability risk, consulting a qualified attorney or CPA can help ensure your business is set up correctly from day one. Need